Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today I have started Christmas shopping and we have a Temu haul to go through, so let's get into it together. So we have a Temu haul here and I have started Christmas shopping in full swing. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. Let's get into it. Now, I do want to note that in a couple videos ago, I did say that Temu signs for metal tin signs, they don't usually come bent. I shouldn't have put power to that because this one came pretty bent. That's okay, I'm going to bend it back into shape and flatten it for a couple days. But it is Minecraft, and it also came like completely torn open, which I wasn't really impressed about. But this is a Christmas gift for my youngest son, and it's a tin sign of Minecraft characters. He's still gonna love it regardless, but I gotta do some work to it before I can even wrap it for him for Christmas. Next item we have here is for my newborn granddaughter. And it's a sweatshirt. And it says Daddy's Princess. Oh my god. It's so cute. It's very thin though, so this will have to be a layering item. But it's very cute nonetheless. Okay, and next item we have here, I had to go back and reread the size measurements because I thought they sent me the wrong size, but no, this is correct. I just thought it was going to be bigger. But it's supposed to be a 5x5 Rubik's Cube, and my youngest son has been really wanting one of these. I guess it's all the new rage now. Again, they're coming back. And there you have the Rubik's Cube. It's very smooth. I'm not going to mess it up too much just so it looks new still. It is very smooth and it glides very easily. It came with an extra cardboard piece. I don't know what that's about. I think, oh, it's the back. I guess to have a peekaboo to see. So my son's going to really like that. And next item we have here is another item of baby girl clothing. Oh, the sweatshirt that I got was in 6 to 9 months. I think most of the baby items I got are 6 to 9 months. Yep. So this is just a 3-pack of baby girl pants, and they're flare pants. We've got black. And we've got gray. They're all the exact same. And they're like almost like a yoga pant material. So they're really nice. And then we have pink. Those are so cute. The only thing I want to say is that they do have a very thick band in here. And it's very strong. But if your newborn baby has like tummy issues or something, these might not be the pants, or you just might want to give them a little slit down the side. But that 3-pack is awesome, and it's to go with onesies that I also got. And those were all in 6 to 9 months. Okay, and here's the onesie pack. And they're all pink, but they can all go with those pants. That's what I figured. One day she'll have a full pink day, one day she'll have pink and gray or pink and black. And I've got 3 onesies here, and they're all 6 to 9 months. And this one says, "My Nana loves me to the moon and back." And if you haven't guessed, Nana is me. And then there's this one, and it says, "I love my Nana." And they're very nice quality too. It's just like baby clothing that you'd get from the store. I get my attitude from pretty much all of the women I'm related to. And that's the last one there. This one is going to be so cute on her because every woman in her life has attitude. Me being included. I thought those were a great find, and it was a 3-pack. So a 3-pack and a 3-pack. 3 different outfits and a sweater to go with one of them. Okay, and this is going to be for one of my stepsons. If I can get it open. I didn't think it was going to come this big, to be honest with you. But I believe his name is Aang, and it's from Avatar: The Last Airbender. It's an enamel pin. And it is quite large, and it does have the double hooks there. He's going to really love that. Definitely, definitely. I got to get more smaller things like that for stockings and stuff as well. Okay, and these are actually for my oldest son. He just recently became obsessed with Stitch, and he just got his ears pierced about a year ago. So I got these. They're sterling silver, but they are Stitch. And they're just little Stitch studs. And there's 2 of them, and it comes with the rubber backings. Those are so cool. And they're really well done, too. For being so little, they're really well done. That's going to be great. And then this is for one of my stepsons as well. And it's a 2-piece set. And you may have seen in a couple videos ago that I did get a different one. That was a 2-piece set. That one so far is lasting really good. It hasn't turned green or nothing. So I'm thinking when they say sterling silver, it actually is. But this is just a little bit smaller than the last one I bought in width size. But it is a chain. And it also comes with a bracelet. Those are really nice, and they're really thick. It's not stamped anywhere, but like I said, the last ones I bought weren't either, and they've lasted a long time, and they haven't tarnished or nothing. I think my son's gonna like that, for sure. Okay. Next is another gift for my granddaughter. These are some teething toys. And they are pink, and they're like a silicone material. One is a remote, and one is a gamer controller. Now, these buttons don't actually click or nothing, but there's so many different textures on this that I think my granddaughter's gonna love chewing on these. They don't have a weird smell or nothing. No paint smell. This one, does it come with hooks? No, but they each have a hole on top and at the base of the remote that you can put on like a lanyard or like a sucky ring. Those are gonna be great. She's gonna love those. And it was a 2-pack as well, so that makes it even better. Okay, next thing here is actually for one of my stepsons. But it is a shark bubble machine. And I believe, and there's also a crab. I believe I got the shark. I could be wrong. But basically, you just put this on the side of your bathtub and you put the bubble liquid in, and it makes your bathtub bubbly. Yes, I got the shark. It does come with an empty bottle. Dilute method, it is recommended to add 5 to 10 millimeters of shower gel into the bottle first, and then add the water at the highest level, and then shake it until the shower gel dissolves. So that's the instructions for it. I guess you can use any bath liquid that you wanted to. And there you have it. I'm not going to fully open it because it is going to be a Christmas gift. But that piece inside of his mouth just goes in here, I believe. And then that's where the bubbles shoot out. And it does come with instructions that are all in Japanese. Oh, there's the English ones. Yeah, the bubble blow pipe. And then you can also blow into it, and then you can it also creates bubbles as well. That's really cool. Okay, and speaking of bath toys, here's another one. Now, I can't remember. I can't remember how many pieces this was. I'll pop up a picture of it anyway. But this is a whole track that you can suction cup, and it comes with the suction cups. And it's a whole track that you can put together, and you can put on the side of your bathtub, and you can like flow water down it. It's supposed to come with, oh, there they are. They almost remind me of Mighty Beans. Anybody remember those? But it comes with that. You can also put cars down it, and water. When you like pour water down it, it'll make everything flow down. My one son really wanted one of those for Christmas, so I had to get him that. Okay, and next thing we have here, I'm going to be careful not to lose this. This is the ribbon it goes on to. And this is ceramic, so I'm glad that they actually took the time and did the wrapping job like this, because I'm glad. So it didn't break. But it is a ceramic ornament, and it says, in 2024, we became a family of 3. And this is going to be for my son and my daughter-in-law and my granddaughter. Just as a little cute ceramic thing for them for their first Christmas. Make sure I bubble wrap it so I don't break it. Okay, and this is the last thing. This is going to be for my niece for Christmas. And it does say silvery, so I don't know if this one will tarnish, but I honestly just got it because of the pendant, so the necklace doesn't really matter. Oh, it's all knotted. But the pendant is a raccoon with a blue heart. I find that gorgeous, and my niece loves raccoons, so I figured that this would be a perfect little add-on to her gift, and she's gonna love that. Yeah, it's not stamped, and it's tangling quite a bit, so I am assuming that this isn't real, but that's okay. It's more of a costume jewelry just for fun anyway. And there you have the start of my Christmas shopping. Let me know in the comments below. Have you guys started Christmas shopping? Do you wait till the last minute? Or do you shop all year round? Because with the amount of kids that you need to get for, and adults, and everybody, you don't want to ever leave anybody out, it gets overwhelming. So I start early. And I get little bit after little bit, and I'm able to get everybody a Christmas gift, at least one thing that they're going to like. So let me know in the comments below. Do you guys start your Christmas shopping early? Do you guys wait till the last minute? Are you guys the type of people that go out on Christmas Eve and try to do all your shopping at once? I'd really like to know. Let me know in the comments below. And this is a Temu haul. I am not sponsored by Temu, but if you'd like to join up to Temu and you are a new user, make sure that you click the affiliate link that's in the description box of this video. That affiliate link could get you up to $100 off in coupons when you first sign up. Also, if you'd like to join my Fishland or Farmland, my codes will also be down below for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you hit that like, comment, and subscribe, and have a beautiful day. Bye.